Cockle Bay Wharf is located in the Darling Harbour precinct. Only a few minutes walk from the Sydney CBD and Chinatown, this lively precinct is a mecca for dining and entertainment. Visit Cockle Bay Wharf and you'll discover 13 exciting venues including 11 cafes, bars, and restaurants. With a restaurant for every taste, choose from fresh seafood, authentic Italian, and modern Australian. While each restaurant offers a truly unique dining experience, they all share the stunning Cockle Bay Wharf views. Spend the day at the precinct and you'll discover many famous Sydney attractions. Walk to the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, Australian National Maritime Museum, the Chinese Garden of Friendship, and Madame Tussauds Band. That's only the beginning. Want to stay after the sun goes down with entertainment and great cocktails? The nightclub and bars at Cockle Bay Wharf will have you dancing until dawn. A hub of activity, the precinct is brought to life with regular cultural events for the whole family. Whether you're catching up with friends, enjoying a business lunch, or taking the family on a weekend adventure, you'll keep coming back to Cockle Bay Wharf. Come and join. There's always something happening. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.